So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your iPhone to recognize sounds like a doorbell or baby crying or anything else. Now in order to do it, just simply open settings of your iPhone. Once you open it, you need to scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Just simply click over there, and here you need to scroll down until you see this option of sound recognition. You can see it's currently set to off. Just simply turn it on. It may require some files to download. Once the files gets downloaded, you can change the settings according to the need. Like if you want to recognize the sound of baby crying or the doorbell, your iPhone will notify you even if you personally missed that particular notification. So it will require some particular amount of file to download. Once you download it, this feature will enable in your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.